Think cardio is just about sweating more and breathing harder? What if I told you most people are actually training their bodies to get tired faster instead of fitter? Pause. Today, I'll show you why your cardio might be sabotaging your results and how to fix it starting today. Let me ask you something. When you do cardio, running, cycling, jumping, what's your main goal? Burn calories? Lose fat? Improve stamina? Here's the problem. Most people do cardio like this. Slouch posture, shallow chest breathing, mindless speed with zero control, and pushing through fatigue with bad mechanics. That's not fitness. That's just surviving discomfort. It's like driving a car with a handbrake on. You're moving, but you're damaging the engine. And yes, you're sweating, but you're also wasting energy, stressing joints, and limiting endurance. Now, here's the interesting part. The people who get leaner, faster, and fitter with cardio aren't working harder. They're working cleaner. Same time, same exercise, completely different results. Why? Because cardio isn't just heart and lungs. It's posture, breathing, rhythm, and efficiency. Let's break it down step by step. First layer, your foundation. Think of your body like a skyscraper. If the base is unstable, everything above it suffers. 1. Posture check. No matter the cardio. Head tall, chest relaxed but open. Shoulders down, not creeping toward your ears. Spine neutral, not stiff, not collapsed. If you're running or walking, imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head upward. Instant efficiency boost. 2. Breathing, huge light bulb moment light bulb. Most people breathe wrong during cardio. They breathe fast but shallow. Instead, breathe through your nose when possible. Expand the ribs and belly, not just the chest. Exhale fully, like fogging a mirror. Better breathing equals better oxygen delivery equals less fatigue. Already feeling the difference just imagining it? Good. Let's level up. Now, let's talk movement quality. Wrong cardio looks like loud, heavy steps, random arm movement, speed changing constantly, tension everywhere. That's wasted energy. Right cardio looks like smooth, rhythmic movement, quiet foot contact, arms moving naturally, not flailing, consistent pace you can control. Here's an analogy. Bad cardio is like sprinting through sand. Good cardio is like gliding on a moving walkway. Same effort, completely different efficiency. Ask yourself while moving, can I maintain this form for 10 more minutes? If the answer is no, you're going too hard. Now the advanced stuff, the part nobody talks about. 1. Relax to go faster. Elite athletes look calm for a reason. Scan your body. Jaw clenched? Relax it. Hands tight? Loosen them. Shoulders tense? Drop them. Relaxation saves energy. 2. Rhythm over intensity. Instead of asking, how hard am I pushing? Ask, how smooth is this rhythm? A steady rhythm trains endurance. Chaos trains exhaustion. 3. Effort awareness. You should be able to speak short sentences, not full conversations, and not gasping. That's the sweet spot for sustainable cardio. So, let's recap the right way to do cardio. Tall posture, relaxed shoulders. Deep, controlled breathing. Smooth, efficient movement. Consistent rhythm. Intensity you can own, not survive. Cardio isn't about punishment. It's about precision. Here's your challenge. Backhand index pointing right, do 5 minutes of cardio right now, any style. But focus only on posture, breathing, and smoothness. Notice how different it feels. That's not weakness. That's control. Master this, and cardio stops feeling like torture and starts feeling like power. Keep practicing. Your future endurance depends on it.